So today we're going to be making a paper plate elephant, and you need to have a paper plate, of course, your scissors, and your stuff to draw with. So the first thing you do is you fold the plate in half. So now you're just going to draw the elephant onto this. Like, you have to fold in half and then draw the elephant. Alright, I don't remember what an elephant looks like. It's good. Alright, so here's the elephant. Looks more like a pig. It's fine. We're good. And then, okay, so you cut both sides of the plate, right? Yes. Yeah? Alright. Okay. There you go. Rocks. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, no. You guys can color in your elephant as well. Ta-da! So done. You still rocks.